Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is e-book and e-publishing. यानी कि ई-बुक क्या होता है, उसका प्रोसेस क्या होता है और ई पब्लिशिंग क्या होता है, उसका प्रोसेस क्या होता है. ई बुक एंड ई पब्लिशिंग. टू एज ई पब्लिशिंग और डिजिटल पब्लिशिंग और ऑनलाइन पब्लिशिंग, ये सभी नाम सेम हैं, इनकी प्रोसेस सेम होती हैं. ई बुक को ही ई पब्लिशिंग कहते हैं या डिजिटल पब्लिशिंग कहते हैं या फिर ऑनलाइन पब्लिशिंग कहते हैं या कह सकते हैं. Includes the digital publishing of e-books, digital magazines, and the development of digital libraries, the catalogs. It also includes an editorial aspect that consists of editing books, journals, or magazines that are mostly destined to be read on a screen. Electronic publishing has become common in scientific publishing, where it has been argued that peer-reviewed scientific journals are in the process of being replaced by electronic publishing. It is also becoming common to distribute books, magazines, and newspapers to consumers through tablet reading devices, a market that is growing by million each year, generated by online vendors such as Apple's iTunes, bookstores, Amazon's bookstore for Kindle, and books in the Google Play bookstore market. Research suggests that half of all magazine and newspaper circulation will be via digital delivery by the end of 2015, and that half of the reading in the United States will be done without paper by 2015. Although distribution via the internet, also known as online publishing or web publishing, when in the form of a website, is nowadays strongly associated with electronic publishing, there are many non-network electronic publications such as encyclopedia on CD and DVD, as well as technical and reference publications relied on by mobile users and others without reliable and high-speed access to a network. Electronic publishing is also being used in the field of test preparation in developed as well as in developing economies for student education. For it enables content and analytics combined for the benefit of students. The use of electronic publishing for textbooks may become more prevalent with Apple Books from Apple Incorporation and Apple's negotiation with the three largest textbook suppliers in the US. Electronic publishing is increasingly popular in works of fiction. Electronic publishers are able to respond quickly to changing market demand because the companies do not have to order printed books and have them delivered. E-publishing is also making a wider range of books available, including books that customers would not find in standard books retailers due to insufficient demand for a traditional print run. E-publication is enabling new authors to release books that would be unlikely to be profitable for traditional publishers. While the term electronic publishing is primarily used in the 2010s to refer to online and web-based publishers, the term has a history of being used to describe the development of new forms of production, distribution, and user interaction in regard to computer-based production of text and other interactive media. अगर हम इस पूरी डिस्कशन, इस पूरे लेक्चर की अगर बात करें तो इसमें ई बुक्स क्या हैं, ई बुक्स कैसे पब्लिश होती हैं, ई पब्लिशिंग क्या है, उसके क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, इन सारी बातों को इसमें बहुत ही शॉर्ट वे में बताने और समझाने की कोशिश की गई है। अगर हम इसे नटसेल में कहें कि ई बुक क्या है, तो अभी तक जो किताबें हम पढ़ते हैं प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में, लेकिन इंटरनेट के आने के बाद वही किताबें अब हमें इंटरनेट, कंप्यूटर, वेबसाइट्स पे अवेलेबल हो गई हैं। कहाँ? सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में। तो उस सॉफ्ट फॉर्म को ही हम ई बुक या ई प्रिंट या ई पब्लिशिंग के नाम से जानते हैं। धन्यवाद।